what is fertilization? What is in the question number first WHAT, what is fertilization? FERTILIZATION. What is fertilization? When the maid when the maid gametes GAMET, when the maid gamete reaches the female gamete. When the maid gamete reaches the female gamete, they begin to fuse together. They begin to fuse together. This the fusion of gametes. The fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. What is fertilization? When the male gamete reaches the female gamete, they begin to fuse together. This fusion of gamete is known as the fertilization. When the male gamete reaches the female gamete, they begin to fuse together. The fusion of gamete is known as the fertilization.